we're gonna go ahead and get started. Thanks everyone for joining. This is our third webinar of 2025, and we're very excited to actually jump into this huge conversation about AI. So as you guys can see, the name of the webinar, it's from PDFs to structured data with UniPDF and AI. So it's a very exciting topic for us too. We usually just show you guys what are the codings and all that, but Alib has something special for you when he starts with his part of the presentation. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so again, let me just introduce the two people who are going to be presenting this webinar. My name is Maria Correa. I am the Chief Operations Officer, and we have Ali, who's our full stack developer. He's one of the brains behind all of this. So thanks again, Ali, for joining us. So I'd like to go through a quick introduction to what is UniDoc, what we do, what we offer. Just in case you guys have any questions, we'd like to cover that really quick before we jump into the actual presentation. So just to give you some context on when we started back in 2016, and we launched as a GPL open source software. But then we launched our first package as UniPDF and UniOffice in 2017. After that, we became top library in PDF and Office in Golang. So these are our two founders. They are brothers, and they actually are the people who came with the big idea of building all of this. And again, they're also all the brains behind all of this. So UniDoc is our library package in Go. It helps you to manage PDF documentation that includes reporting, PDF editing, digital signing, text extraction, and many others. This is one of our many different products that we have. We also offer the UniOffice, which is our library package that supports Microsoft Office documents. And this includes document conversion, document property modifications, filling out forms, creating presentations, working with Excel sheets, and many other things. We also offer a combination of the two products that we mainly focus on, which is PDF and Office. We have UniSwitch, which basically combines both of these packages. And if you're looking to have access to this both type of files, the best option you have is to get the UniSuite at a very affordable price. So we like to tell you why using UniPDF, what will bring to you, right? So the performance is to build using pure Go language. So various extensions are capabilities for PDF, and we also can split PDF pages. Now, with the requirements for this webinar, basically, we advise you to get, if you want to go through the same demonstration and try it out, just to have a Go programming language installed. We recommend a minimum of version 1.18. Also optional just to have Git installed. And the UniPDF offline license or a UniCloud API key, which is another thing that I'm just going to discuss really quick at the end. And the document that contains what to be extracted. So the goals here are going to be showing you how to easily get data that you want to use using AI, and what is a more efficiency and faster while process PDF data. So I'm just going to pass it over to Alip, who will take control of the sharing. Go ahead, Ali.
Yeah, thank you, Maria. So the goal here was to be able get data that we want using AI. And yeah, if we can process data easily, we can process it faster. So here's the example document. So in this webinar, we try to simulate a common use case for PDF that the contents we want to be extract and process with AI, and we can ask about the recent experience of candidate. So this PDF will contain information about two candidates. First, we split the PDF into page using UniPDF and then pass the page data into AI. And then from there we can ask a question about the candidate recent experience. So here's the example document. So basically all this code was modified example from our UniPDF example PDF split, and we add a function to process the page into AI and then ask question about it. So moving on. So here's the code breakdown. We are break down the code into a small chunk to be easier to understand. The first few lines as the code require import package. So here are our key package, as you can see. And moving on. So the first thing is we need to initialize the UDPTF license. It can be offline license or Unicloud APK license. Here at our main function, first we get the path for PDF file from argument, and then set the question for AI that we will use it to ask about the data inside PDF, and it will be print out into terminal. So yeah, here. So moving on, we are run into function split PDF page. It will read the PDF file and then split the page using UniPDF, and then we use the UniPDF model PDF writer to write the page into bytes buffer, as we will return the it will return the bytes buffer and error status if there is we catch an error in the middle of the process. So yeah, after we got the PDF page as bytes buffer, we pass it into the function process page to AI along with the question. This function will return the HTTP response that we will use later at the main function to format the response, and it will return the error status also. So here we give a link to the complete source code, and we show the result also. So basically, if you go into the source code, you can just copy the code and then simply do the run command with go run main.go, yeah, and then put your PDF file as argument there. So basically the output will be looks like this in the picture. So let me show you how the result. So basically if you are run the code like this. We have I have the PDF file named like this. So yeah, just run it like this, and we wait for some a moment to process the PDF file. So yeah, here's the result. So here at the main function, I print out the extracted content as JSON, and you can get JSON formatted. Yeah. And then here, this our actual result. We 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 pull the name for each candidate, and then this our question to AI, and this one the AI answer about the latest experience for each candidate, and then this our second PDF page for Tony Stark and the latest experience also there. So yeah, that's our demonstration about combining the UniPDF and AI. And yeah, thank you. I give back to Maria. Hello, Maria.
Oh, sorry, I was muted. I'm sorry, everyone. Okay, let me go back to sharing my screen. Basically, I will just take over any questions, same as Alib. For me, it could be regarding any question about the our offline license, our subscriptions, and also the use of UniCloud. That's the last thing I wanted to mention. Basically, we do offer two different type of subscription. One is for an offline license key, and the other one is a UniCloud, where you could use different type of credits and subscriptions for that. So if you guys are interested in any of those to try it out or to test it out as well, we do offer a 14-day free trial for any SMB company that will be open to test our product. So yeah, you could just reach us out at sales@uni.io. As well, if you have any technical question that has to do with helping you test your use case or anything, please just send an email and we'll be glad to help you out. Now, we will be sending this presentation to everyone that attended or registered to our webinar, and also any information or templates that was used here is also going to be um, it's also going to be shared. So I have a question right here. Will we get a link to the recording after so we can work through on our own? Yes, you will get the recording. Our marketing manager will take care of sharing this presentation and also the actual document with the presentation and all the steps and everything. So yeah, we'll do that. Um, Perfect. Well, I guess that if no one has any questions, I just want to say thanks to everyone for joining us, and we'll be sharing this information again. And if you have any questions, please reach us out at sales@uni.io. And thanks again. We'll see you again in our next webinar. We do this every month at the end of the month, the last week of the month. So yeah, we'll be spending the next topic as soon as we get it all together. And thanks again, and you guys have a good day.
Yeah, thank you and bye.